1CHAZE, a formula that I designed for all the best athletes in the world. It's a 6% isotonic sports drink with a 5:1 sodium to potassium replenisher. Now this sounds all very scientific, that's me the scientist. But let me tell you, if I was your nutrition counselor, when you're training, you sweat. When you go for competition, you sweat. When you sweat, you lose sugar in the form of energy to the working muscles, and you lose sweat in the form of minerals being lost in your performance. Now, all athletes don't train 1 hour a day, they train multiple hours a day. If you do not hydrate with a sports drink, hydration with water dehydrates you. Yes, you heard me correctly. But when you hydrate with an isotonic 6%, 5:1 sodium to potassium sports drink, you will ensure that your blood gets recharged faster, meaning you can train longer in the field. So instead of training at 80% in your practice, in the second and third hour, you're now training at 90-95%. And that's where we get Olympic level performance. So 1CHAZE is designed without any serious flavor which will affect your throat. It's completely natural, and I've used pharma-grade ingredient, which is more premium to manufacture, more expensive to manufacture. But you, the athlete, are the most premium and valuable asset to yourself. And as your nutritionist, I would say, let's get you the highest quality of glucose, fructose, sodium, potassium, and other salts into your body. And the best way to consume it, 13 to 18 degrees Celsius, cold water, alkaline water, and squeeze a little bit lemon in that. And yes, I have not done any sort of artificial tropical punch and Coke flavor and that flavor, because you, an athlete, do not have taste buds. You have only 1CHAZE on your mind, and that is to be the champion of the world. 1CHAZE, your dreams start here.